Hi guys, how you guys doing today? So today we're gonna make some homemade fertilizer here. So this is Epsom salt, this is baking soda, and first I'm gonna some amount of this one um, to be dissolved in water. So I'm gonna put it right here, so as you can see it's clean, clear solution there. For baking soda, actually you need to heat up the some of baking soda at least about 15 minutes at the medium heat and your stove about 10 or 15 minutes. Then you will see some your baking soda is kind of pops as they release the carbon dioxide gas molecule, and also a little bit of a water vapor coming out. So we'll change the baking soda to sodium carbonate. So then once you heat it, baking soda about medium heat in the stove about 10 or 15 minutes, and then wait for cool down, for like natural cool down about another 30 minutes or something, and then put that in water. And sodium carbonate also kind of shows a clean solution like this. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is just mix them. So here you go. You're gonna put this one on here. So as you can see, it's clean water here. And then you can also try to put the sodium carbonate. So make sure you heat up the baking soda before you try to dissolve in water. Then you can see some precipitation is forming. It's kind of weird because this is clean solution, and those two clean solutions as they mixed, they make some water insoluble precipitate. So now you have, actually this is the magnesium carbonate, which is the really good homemade fertilizer for your plants. So if you have anything that you're planting anywhere, you can try to put a little bit of this in your soil where you planted the trees or anything like that. And maybe you can try to filter the sun out with the simple half cut like a plastic bottle with the paper towel, and just try to wait for the air drying, and you'll get something like this one. So this is a really good homemade fertilizer. You don't need much of that to put it in the soil where you planted your trees or flowers and everything, but just a little bit, maybe over a regular base. So all right, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching.